Assalamu alaikum children. Welcome to the science class for the grade 3. Today we are going to start lesson number 14, water. At the end of this chapter, you'll be able to describe the three forms of water and you'll be able to explain the water cycle. Okay? Let's start our lesson. Water. As water is a natural resource. Like in the previous lesson, we have studied about the air in detail. That is also a natural resource. And as you know, water is a natural resource. Natural resource means the resource which is provided by the nature for our use, for the use of living things. Okay. So let's see three forms of water. The three forms of water are ice, water vapor and water. Means ice in solid form, water vapor in gaseous form, means in gas form, and water in liquid form. Okay, these are the three forms of water. Water is found in three forms: solid, liquid and gas. What is solid state of water? Ice. When we freeze water, when we keep water in the freezers, so what happens? It turns into ice. That is its solid form. And when we boil the water, it comes out in the form of water vapors. Water vapors will be coming out from the pan, from the vessel where we are boiling the water. So that is gaseous form. That is water vapor. And water which we have generally, which we see in the water in liquid form, that is liquid. So ice is the solid form of water. Water vapor is the gaseous form of water. Now try to hold water in your hand. The water in liquid form, can you hold it in your hand? No. Can you hold the water? You cannot. It flows out, it flows down. You cannot hold water because it is a liquid. Liquid is something which does not have a fixed shape and which we cannot hold in our hands. Any liquid, not only water, any like milk, any juice or oil, we cannot hold it in our hand because it has no fixed shape. It doesn't have a fixed shape. That's why liquids we cannot hold in the water. In water, is water always in the liquid form? Do you find the water always in liquid form? No. It is not always in the liquid form. We can change water from the liquid form into a solid form. From the liquid, we can change water into solid. Solid is something which has fixed shape and which we can hold in our hands. What is solid? The things which we can hold properly in our hand. Okay. So like ice is a solid form of water. We can hold it in our hand, which we can hold in our hand. So by this activity, let's see the forms of water. To prove that water changes its form from liquid to solid on freezing. See, when we keep water in the freezer, that means we are freezing the water. So what happens? The liquid water changes into solid form. Here you can see the ice tray which we keep in the freezer to change the water into the ice cubes. Here you can see. So what did we do here? We just kept the liquid water in this tray and we kept in freezer. So we freeze the water. So this water changes into ice cubes. Now we can hold this in our hand. Okay? Because this is in solid form now. So for this activity we need an ice tray and water. Take the icy tray and pour some water into it. Leave it in the freezer overnight. Overnight you will have to keep this tray in the freezer. Then in the morning when we take it out, what do we get in the ice tray? So these are ice cubes. You can hold these in your hands. We can take it into the glass or in the bowl we can take and observe it. Do they change shape? No, they have a fixed shape. They will change their shape only on heating, or when it melts, it will become water again. So when we freeze water, it changes its form from liquid to solid. Here what happened? Water changes from liquid form to the solid form. Okay. So when water freezes, it becomes hard. It feels very cold and changes into a solid. Ice, the solid form of water, has a fixed shape. Is water always in the liquid or solid form? Let us find out. Let us now do an experiment to see how water changes from a solid to liquid form on heating. Here in this activity we have seen we freeze the water, so it changes into solid. We changes liquid to solid on freezing. Remember, we changed liquid into solid on freezing. Now we will change the state of water from solid to liquid. Okay, from solid to liquid. How does it happen? On heating. On heating it happens. Okay. So for this we need to take a pan or vessel or ice cubes and ice cubes. Okay. Water changes from solid to liquid form on heating. Water changes from liquid to gas form on boiling. Okay. So now put the solid ice into a pan. You don't try to do that. You are small children. Ask any elder to do it, or just I am explaining here. You listen and try to understand. Okay. Put the solid ice into a pan. When we take ice cubes, which we change from water to ice in the freezer, these ice cubes, when we put in a pan or in a vessel and when we heat it, it starts melting. When it starts melting, it changes into water again. So here the solid ice cubes are changing into liquid on heating. So after heating, when we just keep on boiling it, this liquid water changes into gas form, in the form of water vapors, in the form of smoke. You can say it comes out from the pan. So here what is happening? First, solid is changing into liquid on heating, and this liquid is changing into gas on boiling. Okay, what is happening here? Here we have seen liquid is changing to solid on freezing the water, and solid is changing into liquid on heating these ice cubes. And when it changes into water, when we boil it continuously, this liquid changes into gas. Okay children, I hope you understood it. Go through the video again and try to understand the concept of solid, liquid and gas, which are the three forms of water. Okay, we will continue this lesson in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.